In our previous session, we have already discussed how to create a React Native app using Expo framework. Now let us create another app to understand how the app works, how to write an application. So for that, we will create a simple counter application in React Native. So let us open our command prompt. Then write here npx create expo app @latest. Now it will install the create expo app CLI if it is not already installed. Then it will ask the application name. It is counter app. So let us write the name. You can name it anything as per your requirement, right? Then it will download and extract the project files. Then it will install the related packages that are required to run the application. Once the application installed successfully, we will simply paste this code in the file to run it. But till now, we don't know why we are writing this code and what is its use, right? If you have already created any React application earlier, then you may understand these things. If you know JavaScript, how to write functions, then you may understand these things. But this course is for beginners, so I assume that you don't have any idea about JavaScript or React or anything else. So for that reason, I will guide you step by step through these commands. What are these and why we have written these? So for that, first let us understand this line. Const. Then we will understand this return statement, why you have written this. Then all these parts. Okay. But before that, first we will run our application and see how it looks. So let us see our terminal. Still it is installing. So either you can use this method or you can use an online editor to write your Expo applications. Yes, it finished. So first I will show you here. Then we will try our online app. So here first we will do cd counter app. So cd counter app. Then npm run Android or iOS or web. Okay, where we want to run. But here we will write npm run start. Why? Because we will scan through our Expo Go application and run this project in our Android app. So let me open my Expo Go application and scan this QR. Okay. So it looks something like this. Now let me open my VS Code. Then go to file, open folder and open this counter app folder. Then from this folder structure, go to app folder. Then within tabs, go to index.tsx. Okay, so many things are written here. Don't worry for all those. Let me copy this one and paste it. Here. Okay. Now I saved it. You can see now in my home screen, a number is showing 0 and then increment and decrement. So let me create an increase. The number increases, and when I click on decrease, the number decreases, right? So it is a simple counter app, correct? And let me show you the complete screen. So this is my complete application. Okay, pause the video and write it on your program. Okay, what we did, within app folder, go to tabs folder, then copy paste in this index.tsx, or delete everything from index.tsx and write this program. Okay, now I will show you how to do it online. Go to snack.expo.dev. Okay, if you want to save your projects, then you can log in here, or without login also it will work. Now on the left hand side, you can see the folder structure like your Visual Studio Code. Click on app.js, then select everything from the file and paste it. Here you don't need any extra device or emulator because it will show the result on right hand side. Okay, so on left hand side you can see the file, and on right hand side that device. So now we are running the output on web. You can choose Android or iOS. Let me choose Android. Then click on launch snack. As we are running on a free tier, so sometimes you may have to wait depending on the traffic, but sometimes it will work fine. Okay, so it is your Android application which is running online, but this one is the physical Android application. Okay, now click on increase and decrease. It will work. So most of the things you can use snack.expo.dev online IDE to write your program, but in some cases it may not work here. I will at that time explain you. So you, for those only you have to use your physical computer, but in most of the cases you can practice it online. Okay, so now you understood how to write a program online, and this one you know earlier how to write a program by scanning a QR code, right? Now let us see what is this const, why we wrote it. Okay,